In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your gallery, and this will come in handy if you're adding any images or anything like that to your portfolio. I'm going to show you how to do that now. That way it'll be easier when you customize. So first things first, if you're going to go ahead and have a portfolio, on the portfolio page, what you would do is switch out these images for your own. So I'm going to switch them out just for my purposes, make it very easy. So you would double click and go ahead and switch out the image to whichever image you prefer, right? Now you're going to go up here to the left hand and click on page. And if you scroll down, you'll see here I have labeled for you category 1 gallery, category 2 gallery, category 3 gallery. So this is category 1, this is category 2, and this is category 3. And also these are the category names for your portfolio. So let's say for this I had, what would go with this picture? Let's say home decor. Maybe I design homes. So I'd put home decor there. And this would be gardening. And I don't know what this would be. Let's pick another picture to make it a little bit easier. Yeah, let's put landscaping. I don't know. We're just going to go ahead and go with those names for the tutorial purposes. Okay, so what you would do is now that you've changed your images and you've changed the category names for your portfolio, you're going to go down here and read which category goes with which. This is called a canvas view. So you would click on category 1 gallery, and this would be what is linked to the home decor canvas view. So we'll click on that. And now you'll see the gallery or portfolio that would pop up when you click on anything on the home decor option of your portfolio. And in here, you would click on the right hand side gallery images, and this is where you would be able to edit the images in your gallery. So in order to remove an image, let's say I would click on the ocean if I wanted to take that off, and then just click on that trash can. And in the same way, if I wanted to add an image at the ocean, went back again, you would click on the image, then you would click on this blue arrow here, and it'll go ahead and add it there. Once you're done adjusting it the way you'd like, you'd click save, and automatically it'll load here. And once you're done customizing this gallery, you can go ahead and do the other 2 categories of your portfolio if you have a 3 category portfolio. If not, you can easily just delete category 2 and you can delete category 3 as well and just have the category 1 portfolio. But these are just for people who have more extensive and expansive portfolios. But you would go ahead and do the same process on each of these canvas views and change out the images to your liking. And then once you're done, you'd click publish if you're ready to publish, or it'll automatically save for you. And then you can continue editing other areas of your template. If you have any questions, head over to the Facebook support group and ask. I'll be more than happy to help out. And you can also reach me at hello@bwpdesigns.com. bwpdesignstudio.com, and I'll go ahead and email you back with assistance.